Looking for a small portable AC to cool a room? Portable air conditioners are great for those who don't have a central AC system or want to save on energy bills by only cooling the room in use. A portable AC uses less energy than a central room air conditioner and is more versatile since you can move it from room to room. We've researched dozens of small portable air conditioners and read numerous customer reviews. This is the 5 that we believe are the best for most homes. 1. Honeywell Contempo Series Portable Air Conditioner, 12,000 BTU, white and blue. Cools rooms 450 to 550 square feet. Thermal overload protection for added safety and peace of mind. Automatic vertical wind motion helps distribute powerful cool air evenly for fast and consistent cooling. Dual filters designed to protect from dust and hair to extend product life and performance. Filters clean easily under a faucet for easy maintenance. Full set window kit included for quick and easy installation for vertical and horizontal windows. Designed for comfort with 3 fan speeds, sleep mode, digital controls, 24-hour energy-saving timer, and remote control with digital display included. 2. Winter Arc 14's 14,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. 14,000 BTU, ASHRAE, 9,500 BTU, SACC, cooling capacity. Dual hose operation. Cools up to a 500 square feet space, dehumidifying capacity 71 pints per day, airflow at high speed. 3 operational modes: air conditioner, dehumidifier, fan. Cooling capacity 14,000 BTU. Eco-friendly CFC-free green R32 refrigerant, extendable exhaust hose up to 603. Window kit. 3. Winter Elite Arc 122 DS 12,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. 12,000 BTU, ASHRAE, 7,000 BTU, SACC, cooling capacity. 3 operational modes: air conditioner, fan, or dehumidifier. This unit can cool up to a 400 square feet space. Full installation set includes extendable exhaust and intake hose up to 60 and window kit 6.5 watts x 20 min 46 max L full thermostatic control 61 degrees Fahrenheit 89 degrees Fahrenheit with digital readout 24-hour programmable timer. Eco-friendly CFC-free green R32 refrigerant, patented auto-drain function fully exhausts all condensate automatically in most environments. 4. Hisense AP0819CR1W200SQ. Fort. Ultra-slim portable air conditioner with remote. A snap to install your portable AC will be up and running in minutes with the easy-to-install snap assembly window kit for windows 18 to 50 wide. Condensed water will evaporate outside through the air exhaust hose. Convenient to operate. Use the remote to power on and off the AC and regulate the temperature without having to leave the couch. After powering on, the multi-directional auto louver adjusts airflow to a certain angle. Smooth rolling wheels. The caster wheels that are attached to Hisense portable ACs make life easier. Simply move it from room to room and voila! You can ditch the heavy lifting that a window AC requires. Now, how's that for easy? Library quiet sound. The Hisense portable air conditioner operates at a low sound so that you can sleep soundly while keeping cool. 3-in-1 operation. This model can operate in 3 modes: cool, dehumidify and fan, to fit your needs. Whoever said having options isn't nice to have? 5. Black Plus Decker BPACT10WT Portable Air Conditioner, 10,000 BTU. 6,000 BTU DOE, 10,000 BTU ASHRAE, Compact Air Conditioner, 16.5 x 11.5 x 26 in, will keep you cool and comfortable all summer. An adjustable fan speed cools the air to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at the coolest setting. Sleep mode makes it extra quiet while you rest. This floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 150 sq.ft. It's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Just wheel this portable air conditioner into any room with a double hung or sliding window. Attach the included hose, 411, and window adapter, and plug it into an outlet. At the end of a season, just unhook and store. The simple remote control and top-mounted LED display with a 24-hour timer to allow you to precisely control the air temperature. To clean the filter, just slide it out twice a month, rinse it thoroughly under running water, and put it back. Combines 3 energy-efficient functions for all of your cooling and ventilation needs with cool, fan, and dehumidifying modes all in one machine. Bucketless, self-evaporating operation makes your living space cool, clean, and dry. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you loved it, take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads. Thank you.